Hello, I'm Michael Golden, and I want to show you a quick and easy way to set up your system so that you can easily sync your time for things like FT8 and other ham radio applications that are very dependent on time. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go right over here. We're going to click on our start menu, and we are going to type in services. This opens up a search that allows us to click here for services, which then opens up a window so that we can see all the different services that are running on the computer. These are small little programs that help the computer function normally. Some of them you're going to see running, some of them are going to be turned off. We're looking for one in particular called Windows Time. That's in ABC order typically, so we're going to go down here. We're going to find this one right here, Windows Time. By default, it is either disabled or manual, so it will not be running normally. We want to change that. We want to make sure it starts every single time the computer starts. So we're going to right click, go to Properties, and that's just a normal left click there. We're going to set Startup Type to Automatic. We're going to hit Apply and OK. Now that doesn't start it up automatically for us, so we're going to right click and we're just going to go to Start. Now you only have to do this part once. Once you do this part, it'll always do it for you. You won't have to do it again. The next part we're about to do, you have to do every time. I'm going to show you how to do it manually, and then we'll create a shortcut so that we can do it much quicker and don't have to go through all the steps every time. So we're going to close this window. Now let's go CMD. You'll see command prompt right here. Right click on it and go to Run as Administrator. You will get a command that says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? We are going to say yes. Okay. And then a little black box here. If you're in IT, you're very familiar with this. And it's W32TM. Put in a space, then put /resync. And then hit enter. You'll see sending resync command to local computer. The command completed successfully. And then we just need to close this window. And we're all done. Your FT8 should work normally now. So let's make that shortcut so we don't have to just manually go do that again. We can just double click on an icon and make it happen. We're going to right click on a blank area on the desktop. We're going to go to New and then Shortcut. And here it's going to have us type the item location. Now this part is a little tricky. You may not, if you're not used to special commands, you may not be familiar with what you can do here. But this com spec is called a variable, and what it does is it tells Windows to open up a specific command, which is that command prompt we're talking about. And then after the /k, so that it executes the command, we type in W32TM and then resync. So we're going to put that right in here. Percent com spec percent /k W32TM /resync. And then we just hit OK or next. We can name it what we want, time resync. And then now we have our little icon here. We're not quite done yet. We need to make it run as an administrator every time. So I'm going to right click on the icon. We're going to go to Properties. And in Windows 10 and 11, you should just click on Advanced here. Check this box, Run as Administrator. OK. Apply and OK. Now all we have to do when we need to resync before we open WSJT-X, just double click on this guy. You'll get the command, Windows command processor. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You just say yes. And there you go. When it's done, you just close the window. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit subscribe. I will definitely be making more videos about like this ham radio and other various things I'm interested in. Welcome to Mayor's Shack. Have a great day.